How to create a magic love ring. To cast this spell, you need a ring, a pink candle, and a wine glass filled with purified water. For best results, this should be cast on the night of a full moon. To cast this spell, light the pink candle. Hold the ring in your hand as you hold your hand over the flame. Think of the type of person you would like to attract, and think of the ideal relationship. Think of as many details as possible of what the ideal love relationship will look like for you. Spend as long as you like on this part. Once you are done, hold the ring in the fire with your fingers. Be very careful not to burn your fingers. When your fingers start to get too warm, place the ring in the cup of water until the ring has cooled. When the ring is cool enough, take it out and put it on your finger. Use the water in your next bath, or simply splash it over your hands and face at this time. Wear the ring as often as possible, and it will attract the ideal love relationship to you. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this works for you.